Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss more than 50 words that can be used in any writing or speaking topic related to advertisement and shopping. Please take a screenshot and write down words on your notebook. So without wasting time, let's begin. First of all, let's look at the synonyms of advertisement. Commercial, promotion, endorsement, publication, and advert are some synonyms of advertisement. Next word is spend. Spend means to pay money for something, and synonyms of spend are expend, pay out, dispense, allocate, disperse. Next word is splurge. Splurge is different from spend. Splurge means act of spending money on expensive things or things you do not need. Next word is squander. Squander means to waste time or money. Next word is shopaholic. A person who enjoys shopping and often buy things, then we can call that person shopaholic. Next word is durable goods. Durable goods are those goods that have a lifespan of over 3 years and are used repeatedly over time. Examples of durable goods are refrigerator, television, etc. Next word is perishable goods. Perishable goods are those goods that will go bad quickly. For example, milk, vegetables, fruits are examples of perishable goods. Next word is brochure. Brochure means a small book with pictures and information about something. Next word is periodical. Periodical means a magazine or newspaper published at regular interval. Now let's look at the synonyms of attract. Attract means lure, allure, entice, enthrall. And next word is pile up. Pile up means to increase its quantity. In Punjabi, pile up means इकट्ठे करना कोई चीज ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠਿਆਂ करना. Next is refrain. Refrain means to stop yourself from doing something and consequently means as a result. So let's use these words in a sentence. People are lured by advertisements and they cannot refrain themselves from buying products. Consequently, they pile up things unnecessarily. In simple words, this sentence means people are attracted by advertisements. They cannot stop themselves from buying products. As a result, they pile up things unnecessarily. Next word is pervasive. Pervasive means present everywhere. Next word is persuasive. Persuasive means able to persuade somebody to do or believe something. Persuade means to force someone or compel someone. Compel and force are synonyms of persuade. Next word is mediator. Mediator means someone who acts as a link between two parties, in other words, middleman. Now, let's use these sentences in a few sentences. First example is advertisement is pervasive in this contemporary era from print media to electronic media. It means advertisement is present everywhere in this modern era, from print media such as newspaper to electronic media such as television. Next example is advertisement is pervasive and persuasive tool to sell things into the market. It means advertisement is present everywhere and advertisement is a forceful tool to sell things into the market. So instead of writing forceful tool, we can use this word persuasive. Next word is spendthrift. Spendthrift means a person who spends money in irresponsible way. We can also call that person extravagant. In Punjabi, spendthrift means kharchila and extravagant is synonym of spendthrift. Next word is miser. Miser means a person who loves to have a lot of money but hates to spend it. In Punjabi, it means kanjoos. Next word is financial crisis. Financial crisis means when some person lacks cash. Now, let's use these words in a sentence. For example, people have become spendthrift. Sometimes they spend beyond their budget and land up in financial crisis. In simple words, in in this modern time, people have become spendthrift. So sometimes they spend beyond their budget and then they face financial crisis. Then they face some financial setback. Next word, breed. Breed means reproduce. And next is consumerism. Consumerism means the preoccupation of society with the acquisition of consumer goods. In Punjabi, it means ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਲੋਕ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਲੈਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣ ਕੰਜ਼ਿਊਮਰ ਗੁਡਸ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਖਰਚ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣ then ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਜ਼ਿਊਮਰਿਜ਼ਮ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Now let's use these words in a sentence. For example, advertisement breeds consumerism. It means advertisement give rise to consumerism. Because of advertisement, consumerism is on the increase. It means कि in Punjabi कि advertisement करके consumerism बढ़ रहा. So instead of writing these lines, we can say advertisement breeds consumerism. Next word is oblivious. Oblivious means unaware. And next word is harmful. And now let's look at the synonyms of harmful. Instead of writing harmful, you can use these synonyms: deleterious, detrimental, menace, pose a threat. And next word is exploitation. Exploitation means the action of feeding something or someone unfairly. Now let's use these words in a sentence. For example, people are oblivious of the fact that their shopping habits put a deleterious effect on environment, as more consumption means more production and more production means exploitation of resources. This sentence means that people are unaware of the fact that their shopping habit put a harmful effect on environment, as more consumption means more production and more production means more exploitation of resources. Next word is gain ground. Gain ground means to become popular. For example, online shopping has gained ground in this modern era. It means online shopping has become popular. So instead of writing become popular, we can use this phrase gain ground. Next word is avenue. Avenue means way. Now let's use this word in a sentence. Online shopping opens up multiple avenues to explore. So online shopping opens up multiple ways to explore. Next is impulsively. Impulsively means to act without thinking or act carelessly. And lavishly means spending a large amount of money on something. For example, people are enticed by products. Enticed means attracted. So people are enticed by products and they spend impulsively and lavishly on products. So they spend carelessly and they spend huge amount of money on products. Next word is materialistic. Materialistic means a person who is more concerned with material things than with spiritual or cultural values. In Punjabi, this word means padarthwati. In simple words, it means कि ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਰੁਚੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ instead of ਕਿਸੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਂ spiritual values ਨੂੰ cultural values ਨੂੰ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਬਸ ਇਹੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਵੀਂ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕੋਈ ਲਾਂਚ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟਸ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੈਰਾਈਟੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਸੋ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲਿਸਟਿਕ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. For example, in this modern epoch, people have become materialistic and they are in rat race of possessing more and more things. In Punjabi, this sentence means in this modern epoch, in this modern era, in modern time ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਲੋਕ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲਿਸਟਿਕ ਬਣ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਆ ਮੀਨਸ ਪਦਾਰਥਵਾਦੀ ਬਣ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਰੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਣ. Next word is flooded. Flooded means containing a large amount or number of something. And next word is bombarded. Bombarded is also a synonym of flooded. Flooded means कि full of in Punjabi कि कोई चीज़ full of जिਵੇਂ market is flooded with cheap products मतलब जे ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਕਹੀਏ कि market is full of cheap products so ਤੁਸੀਂ full of ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ flooded ਜੋ bombarded with words use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. For example, since market is bombarded with cheap products, people prefer to buy new products instead of repairing old things. In Punjabi, this sentence means कि जिवें कि मार्केट फुल है चीप प्रोडक्ट्स ਦੀ ਸੋ ਲੋਕ ਪ੍ਰੈਫਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਵੀਂ ਚੀਜ਼ ਲੈਣ ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਉਹਨੇ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਵੀਂ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਉਹ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਉਹ ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਤੇ ਲਗਾਉਣਗੇ Next word is throwaway society. It means a society in which people do not keep things for very long even if those things still work or are still useful. It means in the meaning of this word in Punjabi ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ society ਨੂੰ belong ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅੱਜਕੱਲ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਲੋਕ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਯੂਜ਼ਫੁਲ ਹੀ ਹੋਣ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣ Next word is wear out. Wear out means anything to be used until no longer in good condition. In Punjabi, this word means ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਬੁਰੀ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਵਧੀਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੀ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਣਾ Next word is discard. Discard means to throw away something. Now, let's use these words in a sentence. It is a harsh reality that we belong to throwaway society. Gone are the days when people used to keep things until they wear out, but now people discard old things as soon as they find new products. In Punjabi, this sentence means कि ये बड़ी ਹਾਰਸ਼ ਰਿਐਲਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਥਰੋਵੇ ਸੋਸਾਇਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਗੌਨ ਆਰ ਦਾ ਡੇਜ਼ ਉਹ ਦਿਨ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ ਜਦੋਂ ਲੋਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਫਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਜਾਂ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਖਰਾਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਬਟ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਲੋਕ ਥਰੋ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਓਲਡ ਥਿੰਗਸ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਿਊ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਨਿਊ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ 'ਚ ਲਾਂਚ ਹੋਇਆ Next word is target oriented. Target oriented means when someone or some company focused on reaching a specific objective, then we can call that company or person target oriented. Next word is profit oriented. Profit oriented means when any person or any company concerned with financial gain. For example, in this competitive era, companies are target oriented and profit oriented. They are leaving no stone unturned to enhance the sale of their products. In Punjabi, this sentence means कि in this competitive era, जो companies ने target oriented ने ਉਹ target ਤੇ focused ਨੇ ਉਹ targets ਨੂੰ achieve ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਔਰ profit ਵੀ earn ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ so they are leaving no stone unturned. Leaving no stone unturned ਇੱਕ idiom ਆ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ hard work ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ sales ਨੂੰ increase ਕਰਨ ਲਈ Next word is mesmerize. Mesmerize means to hold someone's attention. And next word is pester. Pester means to trouble someone. For example, some children are mesmerized by advertisements and they pester their parents to buy the things they have seen in the advertisements. In Punjabi, this sentence means कि कुछ बच्चे attract हो जाते हैं advertisement तो and उस तो बाद अपने parents ਨੂੰ ਤੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ हैं. Pester means ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਤੰਗ ਕਰਨਾ to buy the things ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਖਰੀਦ ਕੇ ਦੇਣ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ advertisement 'ਚ ਦੇਖੀਆਂ ਨੇ. Next word is wisely. And synonyms of wisely are judicially, prudently, sensibly. For example, people should spend money judiciously. So instead of writing wisely, you can use these alternative words prudently or judiciously. Next word is inferiority complex. Inferiority complex means the state of feeling less important. For example, people who are unable to buy the products promoted, they suffer from inferiority complex. Next word is frailty. Frailty means weakness. And next word is crave. Crave means need to have something. For example, it is a frailty of human nature that they crave for acceptance and appreciation in society, and they are following the trend and squandering money on things. Squandering means waste karna. So it is a weakness of human nature that they crave for, that is a desire for acceptance and appreciation in the society. Hence, they are following the trend and wasting money on the thing. Next word is false claim. False claims means in Punjabi, jhutha dawa. Next word is brag. Brag means to speak proudly about one's or another abilities or accomplishments. And hype is also a synonym of brag. Now let's use these words in a few sentences. Some advertisements brag about the qualities of their products and make false claims. In Punjabi, this sentence means कि कुछ advertisements ਵਧਾ ਚੜਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਦੇ products ਦੀ qualities ਦੱਸਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਝੂਠੇ ਦਾਅਵੇ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. Next example is some advertisements hype the qualities of their products. ਕੁਝ advertisement ਆਪਦੇ product ਦੀ qualities ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾ ਚੜਾ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਜਾਂ broadly ਦੱਸਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ।